Hey everyone, this is a quick video showing you how to turn your accessibility keyboard on in Windows 10. The simplest way to turn the accessibility keyboard on is to hold the following three keys at the same time: the Windows key, the Control key, and the O key. As you can see, I just closed the keyboard. If I press the Windows key, Control key, and O key again, it's going to open. But let's say that doesn't work for you. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what you need to do to open up the accessibility keyboard if you're not able to use those three keys. So to open up the accessibility keyboard, or another way to open it up, is to go over to your settings, right click the start icon, and then go to settings, and then under settings go to ease of access, and then under ease of access on the left side scroll down until you get to interaction, and under interaction go ahead and select keyboard. On this screen you'll see here that there's a few different options. You want to find the use the on-screen keyboard. Go ahead and make sure that is turned on. So go ahead and hit this button so it's turned on. And the on-screen accessibility keyboard should automatically pop up for you. And that is how you turn on the accessibility keyboard in Windows 10. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you all in future quick videos.